Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you from AliExpress. It's not a huge haul, but I thought I would share it with you. So I got these little acrylic pieces. I thought they would make cute charms. You just need to add a bail to them. Sorry for the crinkling. If I can find the end of the bag here. I thought these were really cute. And they're acrylic and they're fairly thick. So there's little, maybe I'll just kind of zoom in here a bit. There, little popsicles. I love the little watermelon ones, so cute. This one's got a little cherry on it, little kiwi. Another watermelon one. So I thought those were adorable, and you get 10. So I got that. And then they have these beads at Michael's, but they're quite pricey. And I didn't really care for the colors they had at Michael's, so I got these little clay beads. I think they're clay. I love the colors in this one. This is a pale pink and then a mint. You get quite a bit. Like the string is 16 inches, so I got those. Then I got this die set, a couple die sets. This one here is a bag topper, and it's a shaker. So I got that, and then this one here. It makes one of those little, it almost looks like a little cigarette package. They call it a flip-flop box, I think. Flip-flap box. I'll put the link down below for all the items that are still available, and also the link on how to put this together, because they have a link on YouTube on how to put this together. So I thought that was cute. Then I got these bags. They're tiny, but I thought they would be cute to put embellishments and stuff in. So the bag itself is 3, and then where you can actually put the stuff in, because there's a flap too, 3 by 4, and they've got little gold stars on them. And they have the self-adhesive strip at the top. And you get 50, I think. Yeah, 50. So I thought those were cute. Then I got another die. This one I thought was really cute. Be cute for layering pieces, and it's like got a scallop design in it. And you get 5 circles, and then I don't know what the leaf is for. That's kind of goofy, but kind of random. It's like, oh, we need to put something in the middle. Let's put a leaf there. Then this is another die, and this one is a flower. And it's kind of like a sunflower, and then you can, this here, you can roll it. It's a rolled flower, and you can put that in the center and then layer up all these pieces. And it looked really pretty on the sample. So I thought that was cute. Like I said, I'll put the links down below. And then this one, there's a couple of dies in this bag, I think. This envelope. Their bags are so cheap, they just fall apart when you open them. So this makes a heart rosette. And I believe this is the larger of the two. It was hard to decide which one to get because it just says large and small. And I think this is the larger. So I'm looking forward to using that. Sorry, I'm probably zoomed in too much now. There, that's better. And then this one, I had to look up what it was because when I opened the bag, I was like, I don't know what this makes. But it's that milk carton that has the little drawers in it. And yeah, it comes with quite a few pieces. But I think there's also a video on how to put this together. I'm hoping there is, because it looks pretty complicated. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. I've seen lots of people do videos on these made up, so, and like for swaps and stuff and Happy Mail. And then, and if there's a link for how to put it together, I'll put that down below as well. And then the last thing I bought, this was a bit pricey, but it's so darn cute. It's a little neon rainbow, and I wanted it for my room. And it comes with a, excuse me, you can plug it into a USB to light it up, or you can put 3 AA batteries in it. And then when you turn it on, look how cute that is. Isn't that just adorable? I just love it. And for size, I'll just give you, so like across this way, it is about 9 inches. And then for height, from the bottom of the stand to the top of the top rainbow, it is about 7.5 inches tall. So just super cute. I just love it. And it came packaged really, really well. Like, so it's in this little bag, then in this box. The box was a bit squished. And then wrapped in like double or triple bubble wrap box. And then the box was in a bag, like in a mailer bag. Yeah, so really happy with that. Like I said, it was a bit pricey, but I don't know. I just thought it was so cute. So that is my haul from AliExpress. I'll put all the links down below for anything that's available. Anything that's not available, I'll put NA beside it. And thanks everyone for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye for now.